Hello, first time again, my friend, and I want to show you quickly what we got for HelloFresh this week. Here we go. All right, let's spin this around. HelloFresh Greek-inspired chicken salad with olive and feta. And there it is. This is what it looks like. Oh, that looks good. That looks carb friendly. Only a 30 minutes meal. And so this is it. Just a little bit of hint that they give you and stuff like that. Really nice and easy meal, my friend. That looks really good. So this is the Greek inspired chicken salad. Yummy, yummy, yummy. We're still doing 3 meals a week, my friends. And then this one looks good. What is that? Sweet potato? Yeah, blueberry barbecue pork with sweet potato rounds. That looks delish. Blueberry on your pork. That's pretty cool. Come on now. Come on now. That looks really, really good. I'm looking forward to that one. I've heard of apples being on pork chops, but not blueberry. But I guess that will work as well, right? And they give you a little bit of highlight about the blueberry jam that they're going to be using. 25 minutes for this meal, my friends. Quick. It says quick, quick, quick. And this 25 minutes meal, I'm looking forward to that one. Maybe that's the one we're going to be cooking. Maybe tomorrow. I'll try this one or tonight. See. All right. Looking good. All right, I'm surprised there's no burgers in this one this week. Okay, so this is the kofta-inspired beef bowls. And I think we've had this one with the chopped salad and lemony yogurt. Yes, we have had this one before. Okay, so can I just confess that I'm not a fan of bowls. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like them. I just think they're everywhere, and I just think, oh, like I get so tired of them now. So I am looking forward to some good pasta. So I'm not looking forward to this at all. And it's something that I've tried already. And then they give a little bit of, talked about a little bit of the lemony yogurt dressing, I guess. It does look good. And as I said, I think I've tried this one before. Okay, so of course, it's packaged nicely, ready to rock and roll. They give us some coupons in here, and then packaged nicely, nicely packaged. And this is all the fresh stuff, ingredients that's in these bags. You guys know how it's rolled already, so you saw me doing this a lot. So I hope you guys are checking out the videos, my friends. Lots of nice cooking on there. And of course, the frozen stuff is at the bottom. Let's see what, I see a card that they put in there. What is this? Ooh. Marvel. Oh, they're just advertising that. Yeah. I guess it's going to be in theater. Marvel. Yeah. Guardian of the Galaxy. May the 5th. I'm not really into superheroes and stuff like that, so I don't really care, but this is a great way to advertise stuff, by the way. And sometimes HelloFresh do send us a little something. This is what I was looking for, to see if they actually sent us something, but doesn't look like anything extra hot in there. Okay, so let's take a look at our frozen stuff. There's all our meats on packet of ice and 100% water. This is, and as I said before, I save this water to water my plants, right? So that's what I do with those, so they're used again. Yep, chicken stuff. And what's in here? Ooh, olives. Yeah, I like olives. One of those things that you like or you don't like. Ooh, mixed olive. Oh, I don't know which one of the recipe calls for olive, but oh, maybe the Greek inspired, yeah. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to actually put these in a baggie, put them in the freezer, and then cook them up each time. Now, my friends, in this house, we kind of trying to have a system going that someone is responsible for cooking HelloFresh daily. Because what we're running into is that, you know, the HelloFresh is here, and this was supposed to be a simpler thing. But now, I come home, I'm tired, I don't want to cook. And then somebody else don't want to cook. And so, you know, it became a little bit of a frustration. Then we end up ordering food, blah, blah, blah. So we're trying to kind of cut back on ordering food. So we decided that everybody's going to pick a date when they're responsible for cooking HelloFresh. So today is Monday. Today HelloFresh comes for us, and so I am responsible for cooking HelloFresh today. However, I am not cooking today because yesterday was Sunday, and it's Easter Monday. We don't eat red meat on Easter weekend. On the Easter weekend, we don't eat red meat usually. So I fried enough fish for today, Monday. So one of my daughters is responsible for cooking a meal tomorrow, and I don't know what she's going to cook yet because I'm the one that's putting away this. So she'll have to come and kind of take a peek to see what she's going to cook for tomorrow. So each of us has a day. So I am on Mondays. So my days are Sunday, Monday, and then the girls each have Tuesday, Wednesday, and I think Friday is a toss-up kind of thing. So, you know, if somebody gets paid, they bring in some food. If not, we just, you know, eat whatever is in the fridge. And with HelloFresh, there's hardly any leftovers. I do get a little bit sometime for my lunch for work, and that works out well. So that's basically it, my friends. That's all we have for HelloFresh. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in another video.